Education Policy 2020 in Indian Education. To what extent have its objective been achieved so far, and how much progress remains to be made?
Thank you for the question. Uh, they say makes a person perfect, but I say practice makes a person progress. And I think that's what the NEP stands for. It is about the progress of our country. And it was introduced in the year 2020. And I feel very, very privileged that I was part of the 2019 group from CBSE who sat down to review it. And I think so much of impetus has been given to education through the NEP's policies. And a lot of them, like somebody said, it was all about the Panchkosh, which was reflecting there from the Vedas. And the few things which are very, very important are one, life, because Panchkosh also has about your life and it focuses on life. It focuses on Ananda. So it talks about your happiness. It also focuses on three very important things. One is no silos. That means subjects are to be integrated together rather than taught separately in compartments. Two, it talks about a continuum happening. So foundational stage has come into the school, and it also talks about the national credit system, which helps to keep your credits from the foundational stage to college, to university. So I think that is a very, very nice thing. And the last very important thing is the methodology that should be adopted and adapted to the way of teaching. And I think most schools, even in the most interiors of India now, have become aware. That is the first step. So I think being aware is definitely progression and progressiveness.
Moving forward, how you imagine the ideal Indian classroom of the next decade, and how does it look like?
The most ideal classroom can never be ideal because, like I said, we are not talking about perfection, we are talking about progress. So, anything that is ever evolving is ideal. Because once we feel we are ideal, that means we have stagnated. We are not evolving. It is very important to evolve. So I think when you evolve, you live, and that is life.